I'm taking the Wet n Wild 40 palette, and my face and all that's done, as you can see. I'm taking this lighter mauve shade on a fluffy brush and just kind of putting that down as a transition shade. And I always do my eyeshadow on a dry base. I tried it on a wet base once and I really didn't see a difference, so I don't know. But then I'm taking this bright purple shade and putting it on the same brush and trying to keep it deeper in my crease, but you know it's the same brush, kind of big and fluffy. Kind of gets all over the place, but I'm slowly building it up instead of packing it on all at once and then blending it out, because I feel like that's just gets too intense, too fast, and too hard to blend out, I guess. I don't know. And then I'm taking a flat brush with the same purple shade on it and putting it like in my crease and packing it like that, and then taking the previous brush and blending it out. And these eyeshadows blend so good, like the black blends so nice that I'm taking right now on a pencil brush. And keeping it deep in my crease to kind of darken the purple up, since it's not really like a dark purple. Well, there is, but it's like red and, you know. And they just blend so nicely, and the Wet n Wild eyeshadows I've honestly never given a really good chance to, and I'm kind of mad at myself for it, because I have this palette and another one from their Fantasy Makers collection that's like red and black tones, and they're so good and blend out so nicely. And I'm putting concealer down right here to do a little half cut crease type deal. I'm taking a little e.l.f. concealer brush, and it's called exactly that. And it's like the best brush I've found for doing a cut crease on my tiny eyelid. It gives me that sharp line, and it's just, I love it. And then I'm taking this orange shade, because I'm doing spooky colors, because I haven't accepted Halloween is over yet, and I probably won't, because Halloween is just nice and it's every day for me. But anyways, I'm packing that on top of the concealer, as you can see, and I did it dry at first just to kind of get a base down, so that way I didn't open my eye and the concealer transferred or creased or anything, and then I went over it again wet, or with my brush sprayed, whatever, and it built up well. It was also kind of hard because it was the first time I ever like really used that shade, so other than swatching it, so it just kind of, yeah. And then I'm taking the black shade on a pencil brush and blending it inwards with the orange, and then kind of deepening out that outer third, outer V, whatever you want to call it. And then going back to the orange brush and kind of just going back and forth to blend it. And then on my lower lash line, I'm taking the purple on a flat brush and smoking it out, and then blending it out with the other brush. And I've been smoking it out pretty far down lately, just because my skincare has been upped, and I'm using actual skincare, not just washing my face. And then I put the black on and kind of blend it out, so I don't have like the little wrinkles there, or they're not as intense as they were before, so it just looks better, and it doesn't look so like messy, I guess. I don't know. And then I did my liner and lashes off camera because my camera turned off. But anyways, I'm putting the Airspun loose highlighter on my cheekbones right now. And I put the same highlighter on my inner corner and brow bone. I don't even know what brush I'm using. I think it's a Morphe brush. I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. And my camera is stupid and doesn't like to like stay in the same lighting or whatever. Then I sprayed it a bit and then tapped it off, let it dry, and put on more, because this is a loose highlighter, so like it's weird about sticking on your face unless it's like damp. But it's a good highlighter. I like it. And I put it on my nose and my cupid's bow as well. and the other cheekbone, obviously. And then just kind of showing off the look a little bit, and the highlight, because I mean, it's just such a nice highlight. And then I'm taking this Milani, I think it's the satin liquid lipstick in leather, and applying that to my lips. And this is like the best drugstore black liquid lipstick ever. The Wet n Wild one it felt really like thick and cakey to me, so I'm just like, eh, no. The Rimmel has one, it wasn't opaque, and like this one and the Baby Bat Beauty one I always use are the best black liquid lipsticks I've ever used, including like the Kat Von D one. That one felt really cakey too. So, I don't know. But anyways, after I add that, then I'll show off the final look, and that's it. And thanks for watching my video, and watch my other ones, and subscribe to my channel, and follow all my social media. They'll be down in the description.